Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, the whole 9 yards. I love you guys. Anyways, I thought it would be fun to do a red lip on dark skin tutorial. This is one of my favorite looks. Red lipstick is a go-to of mine. I do a ton of photo shoots and I feel like reds and pinks and corals are the only colors that pop on my dark skin and really complete the look. Anyways, let's get started. I will show you step by step how I achieve my favorite perfect red lip on dark skin. Well guys, I hope you liked this super quick tutorial on how to master a perfect red lip on dark skin. I have linked all of the products that I've used in the description box, so if you want to check them out, made it super easy for you guys. Wishing you guys a very happy new year, and I cannot wait to see more of you in 2020. Wishing you guys all the best. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video the thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to check me out at dominique.baker on Instagram, and my blog is styledomination.com. See you guys soon. Bye!